Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Outdoor Toolkit application in your OUKITEL WP300 phone. So, at first you need to go here. Now as you can see, you have here this default folder called Tools. If you tap it, you can see pedometer, child mode, game mode, easy launcher, QR code, scan torsion, scene toolkit. You can just use all these applications that are here. Disable enable torch, enable SOS mode. Here we do have the QR code scanner, easy launcher, toolbag and pedometer on low. And now here they have pedometer, stop and exit. Apart from that, here they have this toolbag application. Here they have, as you can see, compass and inclinometer and pick hanging, gradient, height measure, magnifier, protractor, plumb, alarm bell, mirror, NFC card emulator, and pedometer. Let me go through all these. Compass. We need to at first calibrate doing this movement, as you can see, which is on the screen, something like this. It's not yet calibrated. As you can see, it looks funny, but it doesn't look. It is not funny. I don't know why it's not calibrated yet. It should be. I'm doing this for a long time. Now here our phone is calibrated and we can play with our compass. It works very nice, as you can see. Apart from the compass, here they have the sound meter. For now it's a quiet environment, but when I say something, it's easily noisy workplace or common indoor environment. When I, for example, want to shout, it's harmful noise. Now we can go back and tap pick hanging. Calibration. We need to place our phone on the flat surface for calibration. Now, as you can see, we can tap got it. Now, as you can see, we do have the horizontal and vertical angles. We can place on our wall and check if it will be symmetrical, as you can see. Now we can go further for the application called the gradienter. This is our gradienter. And we can just play with that. Here they have height measurements, but wait a moment, I destroyed my decorations slightly, so I need to figure it out. Start measure. Please input your height. 186. Enter. Now, as I can see, we have to do something like this. So apart from the height measure, we do have magnifier and just the camera with the magnifier option. I don't know why it's here, but yeah. Protractor. It's here. Plumb bob. It's here. Alarm bell, mirror, NFC card emulation, pedometer. I think I don't really need to go through that, but that's how it works. Goodbye.